Hey guys, it's Toy Time with Nia. If you're new to my channel, make sure you bang on the subscribe button. And today, do you know what we're unboxing? SNAPSTARs. I always wanted to unbox SNAPSTARs. They're just so cool. And guess what? If you see on the back, it comes with a little tiny green screen. And a green screen is if you take a video or something, then you could change it to any background you want. Any background. It's not just gonna be a plain old green, only if you want to be green. But it's really cool. So after you're done unboxing your doll, you put her on the stand and then you put her where the green screen is, right? And then you get to change her and change lots of stuff like the background. You could have hearts like that. And there's so many cool things. You could even change her earrings, I think. Cause see, those are all the accessories that you could change. And guess what? I want to snip it open so we can get a closer look. But one more thing. Have parents' permission before using scissors. And before we open it, I want to show you the name. And the name is Dawn. I really like her accessories. Let's open the clear part. Oh my god, look at our doll. Whoa. Oh, this is the stand and the green screen. Whoa. So this is the green screen. Gigantic green screen, actually. So these are the instructions to either put this together and all the other stuff that you have to do, that you could do with this SNAPSTAR. And look, this is the stand so your SNAPSTAR doll could stand up. It's green, just like the green screen. The same shade of green. So, this is our doll, and she comes with a little cell phone. And then on the back, it has this little handle so she could hold it, like this. So that's how she holds her phone. And I just love her outfit. Her boots are really cute and everything's cute. Now I'm gonna put her on her stand real quick. Look, she's on her stand and she can stand all by herself. So this is our doll in the green screen, and we're gonna take some pictures and we're gonna show you at the end of the video. What do you think of her? Say it in the comments below. I think Dawn is a really nice doll. She's beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys. Wait, before we go, here goes a couple of pictures.